Good morning, everyone. Hope you are having a good weekend. It's hot. It appears summer is now in full effect. Please stay hydrated and cool. We have now concluded 4 whole weeks of classes. We are at the halfway point of the class. We are now heading into week 5. Here's what's coming up this week. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's what you'll see the topics being covered this week. 2 new chapters or the equivalent of 2 more weeks worth of work. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar of Canvas. Here's a summary of what's coming due this week. World Geography, News number 3, due on Canvas, Saturday, July 18 by 11:59 p.m. This discussion will be available by Sunday afternoon, July 12. I have graded Geography News discussion number 2. Please make sure the second paragraph relates to the content of the article, to issues related to the regions of the world we're talking about in class. Map quiz number 3, Europe, Russian Federation, Central Asia, and the Transcaucasus are due Sunday, July 19 by 11:59 p.m. The assignment is already available for you to complete. Please read the directions carefully and submit it according to the submission guidelines. Additional points. Also make sure and read the assigned chapters in your textbook as well as make sure and review the PowerPoint lectures. I've included an instructional video for each of the lectures. The videos are from a slightly different version of the textbook, but the topics, themes, and contents for each of the chapters are exactly the same and they still work. A friendly reminder that in an online course, you need to be logging in on Canvas on a regular basis, preferably daily. If you're not logging in Canvas, it means that you're not attending class. In a regular face-to-face class, you may be dropped from the course if you're not attending class. The same applies to this online course. Since the drop deadline has passed, if students continue to stay inactive in the course or worse, since the student deadline has passed, if the students will stay inactive in the course, you may end up with a grade that includes all of the missing assignments. Remember that if you're not interested in the course anymore, it is your responsibility to withdraw from the course, not the instructors. A few people are missing assignments. Remember that you can always submit or resubmit assignments, but you will lose points if submitted after the deadline. The farther you submit the deadline, from the deadline, the more points you will lose. I will be grading reflection number 2 later this week. Have a nice rest of the weekend and see you online. Stay safe and healthy. Best, Samuel Cortez.